Alright guys and girls, welcome to another episode of Astros Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? Alright, check it out. Behind me, I got that 1977 Buick LeSabre, and we're doing that engine kind of like, well, replacing all the gaskets. Now, I don't know why, but it seems like you guys have definitely got an interest in this car. And Alonzo, what's up, buddy? Alonzo said, how does the rest of the vehicle look like? So today, on this episode, what we're going to do is go over the vehicle, get y'all going to bring back memories of the radio and all that, and we're going to pull this car across the street so we can pressure wash the engine bay. That's right. That's what we're going to be doing today, right here on Astros Auto Repairs. This channel is a member of the Astros Stars, which means we have a zero-tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastrostars.com. Alright guys, there it is, the Buick LeSabre, the 1977. Alright, check it out. What we want to do is pull this vehicle across the street so we can pressure wash all inside of here. Because what I want to do, I want to get some, cheap black paint, and I want to paint all this, make it look nice and shiny and all, and we're not charging the customer. Customers have no idea what we're doing it, but now he does because he's probably watching that video. But who wants to half-step in doing a job? Check this out. We did this other video of, people charging you for rags and shop supplies and all that, and it's bull. This is like, you take care of your customers, and this is going to be one of them instances. I'm going to paint this. It's going to be nice. So when we set that engine in there, yeah, look at that engine. Yeah, boy. We're going to set that engine in. It's going to stand out. All right, so here it is, guys. Here's the Buick. Don't that bring back memories. Look at those hubcaps. A lot of you guys say that. What's a hubcap? That's the thing right there that covers the wheel, so it looks good. Because a lot of you guys out there are too young. Y'all don't know what that is, but that's cool. Just hang around with us. We'll let you know. So what I want to do today is I want to pop the drive shaft out because we don't need to pull this car and that drive shaft be running around. So we want to take that drive shaft out of there. Let's go take this out. Let's go. Get a new top up here and it comes to it. Well, 77 though, that top held up, man. Look at that Buick here. Yeah, buddy. So let's get inside. Okay, also we notice the door handle. See that? Hey, look at that bearing over there. That roller. That's all messed up. We can't have that. That's got to be changed. So one day we're going to get that and change that. We can get us a new carpet, put down. I'm talking like it's my car. But, hey, I know the customer, so I know that's what he's going to do. Gonna figure out something with the dashboard. Let's get in here. Let's get in here. Yeah, look at that. Look at that Buick. Look at that little horn. Look at the dash, guys. Look at the dash. Let me see if I can. Y'all be like, what the heck is that? That's right. Look at that. Oh, that's a no-no. No good. Nope. That's got to get out of there. We got to see that FM AM radio. I don't know, like I said, what's an AM? American Motors. Nah, it's a radio station. Like FM, it used to be AM also. And actually, before FM, the radio was just AM. But this throws the car off. That's no good. We got to get that out. We got to get some radio in here. Yeah. Oh, let's look at the... Oh, this is easy. We can do the top. That's easy as anything. Put a new top up there. Have the interior done. This is like a sticker right here. You take that off. Oh, this is, what the heck? I thought it was a sticker. This is usually is, yeah. Get that off. Put a new one up there. Around here to match it up. Depending on what you're going to do. Dang, man. Look how big that gas pedal is. Dang it, man. That's Herman Monster kind of gas pedal right there. I mean, they make sure you want to step on that gas. You step on the gas. All right, electric windows. Got power windows. Let's go. We're gonna have, yeah, this is gonna need a screw and all. We're gonna fix this. Door panels is not that bad a shape at all. This is, you know, guys, this is, oh, rusty. That's rusty right there. This is what you call a labor of love. You love it, and, you know, just take your time in doing it. We got the hood on the top, and you see we got this tabletop cover to keep it protected. Yeah, can't get in the back. Let's go. Look at that door lock. Look at that door lock, guys. Y'all don't remember. Y'all don't know nothing about that, do y'all? You young kids, y'all know nothing about that. This is how we used to steal cars too. We used to break car. We used to lock your car, lock your keys in the car. You take a hanger and you hook it up right to there, man. That just pops that thing right up. Dang it, it's still open, man. What the heck, man? Put your hand. How can I show you guys? What the heck? Dang it, man. Let's go on the other side. While we're going on the other side, let's take a look at the body. You know, and the body is not bad at all, man. For a 77, this ain't bad at all. Let me try to keep the plate out of there. All right, come up, go around. All right, look at that chrome bumper. That's a bumper, not that styrofoam stuff. That's a bumper. We missed a little part right there. It's the LeSabre Custom. Okay, go around. Can we get this door open? Dang, man, what the heck, man? Damn, I'm trying to get in there. Damn, that back seat is good too, man. I like the, man, I gotta get inside the back seat, man. Look how big that seat is, man. It's like driving a school bus or something. Let's go back here. Okay, move the jacket out the way. Look at that, guys. A 77. Look at the seat. I mean, you got a little tear right there, but that's easily taken care of. Take it to a place. Look at that back dash. Man, can we get in here now? What the heck? Why can't I get these doors open? Dang it, I don't know. All right. Wait, what's that? The old ashtray kind of thing, isn't it? Yeah, look at that. Look how smooth that was. Got a little cigarette lighter. Pop in there. Yeah, check that out, man. This is cool. I like this, man. Get us a new windshield. And anything can be done, guys. Anything. I mean, there's people online you can find anywhere that can redo the dashboard, redo all this, man. This is gonna be great. All right. Oh, you got a crack in the windshield. All right, that's no problem either. All right, but it's cool. Right now we're working on the heart. So when you open up this, when you open up this hood, this thing gonna be surprising. I was thinking, guys, Gary, I think it was Gary Richardson. Oh, no, not Richardson. I forgot his name. One of our commenters. I dig the color he said. He said, you know, red, white, and blue, the Astro colors. And a couple people said that. Red, white, and blue, and put an Astro. And I was thinking, but I was like, yo, what about, I like that. That red, white, and blue thing. And on the air cleaner, where is it at? Where's it at? Where the heck is the air cleaner? Here's our party line right here. You can see that. So when we put this back together, we know exactly what we're putting back together. Dang, where the air cleaner at? Well, the air cleaner is somewhere around here. And it's an Edelbrock, but the chrome is coming off. So I paint the top of it, and on the top, I put it Made in America. Yeah, buddy. Open that hood up, say Made in America. Oh yeah, and then down the bottom, on the bottom, put Made in America. Well, dang it, where is it? Did we put it in the car? Let's just see it here. No. Where the heck did I put the cover at? Or did I put it inside? I don't know. But anyway, we put Made in America. Then right down here in scripted writing by Astro. Yeah, check that out. Alright, so I'm gonna jack it up. We're gonna get this drive shaft out so we can pull this thing up across the street. and power wash inside here. We'll be right back. All right, guys, got it jacked up. Guys, number one thing, you know, we're having fun all with this, but if ever you do a job like this or any other kind of job, remember, safety is always number one. You do not, one bad minute, one bad judgment call can mess up your whole day. Hey, there's the air cleaner up under the car. Dang it, there it is right there. Dang it. All right, let's get up under here. What we got is a 7/16 wrench. Here's our drive shaft, and it's held on by these bolts right here. Got this little crate, this little carrier right here, brace, bracket, however you want to call it. And we gotta go ahead and do both sides and take that. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Let me back up here a little bit, guys. Look at. Hey man, let's exhaust this. Oh, hey, stop by mistake. All right, because this thing sound good. We got 2 thrust mufflers, it looks like, but they're going in to 1, then up. No, this got to go. We got to get this out of here. We need us a true dual exhaust. We need something. We need this thing to breathe. Yeah, boy, get this out of here. No, Aaron, this got to go, buddy. All right. So, guys, let's get this drive shaft out of here. So we can, and then what we're going to do is up there, you see the starter hanging. We're going to tie that starter up. There's a lot of oil up under here. All right, we'll be right back. All right, guys. We got all of them out. And now, what the heck? There we go. And get us a screwdriver or something. Pop that out just like that. And let's get this drive shaft out of here. Be right back. Alright guys, there's our drive shaft. Make sure these caps, make sure those caps stay on. Alright, we're gonna get this out of the way. Now we can lower this car back down. Our emergency brakes are on, so the car is not gonna move. Because without those emergency brakes, this thing will roll anywhere. Alright, so I'm gonna take everything out, get the jack stands out and all that. Then we're gonna hook this up to one of the vehicles and we're gonna pull it across the street. Be right back. Alright guys, we got it hooked up. We got our 2000 Mercury Cougar hooked up to the 77 LeSabre. This is a heavy, even without the engine, this thing is heavy. And what we're gonna do is pull it across the street so we can pressure wash it. Alright, and actually, I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna film it too. How am I gonna film it? How am I gonna film this? Do I film us pulling it out? Yeah, but I'm gonna Civi's driving her car. Yeah. What's that waving? You're supposed to go, yeah, buddy. You're supposed to put the sign up, yeah, buddy. There you go. There you go. Those disappoint my subscribers. All right, let's see here. We're gonna get you set up right here. All right, we'll be right back. All right, guys, we got it back here. Here it is, nice in the sun and all that. And guess what it's parked next to? We move slowly. Uh-oh, there it is. The Mustang. The Astros Mustang. Guys, I don't know, a lot of you guys might be new to this car, but this is a project in the making. The floor pan had rotted out completely. So it's been sitting back here for a while. Check out our videos on it. And as you can see, let's go in here and open it up. I already took out the floor. I primed it, and that's special kind of primer. That's welding primer. Let's get in here and we can see this. Yeah, that's welding primer in there. So I gotta get a floor, and we're gonna weld the floor in, because I don't know, a lot of you guys don't know, me and Eric the car guy, that's right, ETCG1, we got a race going on. When I get this done, I'm gonna tow this down to Ohio, and I'm gonna whip on that in Fairmont. Yeah, buddy. check that race out. And check out in the back. This says fast. Yeah, I'm gonna get him with this Mustang. The 5.0. Eric is in trouble. The Fox body. But we got over here deal with the Chevy. I ain't a Chevy man. Oh yeah, it's still Chevy, Buick, GM, Buick. Don't be, you know what? Just because you got, what, a Mercury Cougar? Steve Davis loved these cars, man. It looks like, if you look, guys, you look at it right there, don't look like the Chevy Caprice? Look just like the Caprice. This is a Chevy. All right, with a Chevy with a Buick emblem. All right, so now, there's the starter. We got the starter tied up. Now we're going to pull the pressure washer over, and now we can see it out in the sun. It's a whole lot better now. I'm gonna pressure wash all this mess. Get this out of here. Pressure. Let's see how clean it comes. All right, so let's get the pressure washer, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, there it is. Clean that thing up. Yeah, buddy, man. Look at that. And that's all I'm gonna do. Actually, I'm gonna try to like cover up the wires and all. I might just unplug all. This is all loose anyway. You know, just paint it black, and don't try to get the wire. I like the color of the wires, especially over here. I might just go crazy and paint everything. I don't know. But it does look cleaner. I might not even do nothing. It looks clean in here. I think it, again, you know, you look at it right here, it looks clean, and when I set that engine in, the engine will still stand out. So maybe I'll just do a little black around there, just little edges around there, just cleaning up the brake booster and the master and all that. Not touch the windshield washer tank reservoir. Maybe I'll do that. Maybe I'll just do that just a little bit, just around and around in here, and all, just make it look good. Yeah, boy, this is coming out good, man. This thing must have been on fire or something. Look at that windshield washer, like a motor. Must have been on fire when he is on. All right, we'll be right back.
Alright, so this is the end of part 4 on this 1977 Buick LeSabre engine rebuild. So if you guys have any...
Engine rebuild? Oh,
no, not... I don't know. Engine removal,
gasket replacement.
Gasket
yeah, there you go.
Video. Okay. So if you guys have any comments or questions, you can post it below in the comment section, or you can email Timmy at tim@astroautorepairs.com. Please, if you have questions, email him, not me. Email him, okay? So, hope you paid attention. If not, watch it again. This is Sylvia from Astros Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can. See you next time.
Oh, let's go there. Look at that. Look at that Mustang one more time. Look at that Mustang.
Again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, Eric is scared right now. He's like, dang it.
Oh, yeah.